Welcome to Expert of AI. Today, we're diving deep into Azure AI Services, Microsoft's complete toolkit for adding artificial intelligence to your applications. We'll cover all 6 core services: vision, speech, language, translator, document intelligence, and content safety. Let's get started. Slide 2. What are Azure AI Services? So, what exactly are Azure AI Services? Simply put, they are Microsoft's suite of pre-built, cloud-hosted AI APIs that let developers add intelligent capabilities to their apps without needing a data science background or training your own models from scratch. You might know them by their previous name, Azure Cognitive Services. They've since been unified under the Azure AI Services brand and are now deeply integrated with Azure AI Foundry. With over 10 core services, support for more than 100 languages, and 50-plus compliance certifications, Azure AI Services is one of the most comprehensive AI platforms available today. Slide 3. The 6 core pillars. Let's look at the 6 core services. First, Azure AI Vision, for seeing and understanding images. Second, Azure AI Speech, for hearing and speaking, converting audio to text and back. Third, Azure AI Language, for reading and understanding text with natural language processing. Fourth, Azure Translator, for breaking language barriers across more than 100 languages. Fifth, Document Intelligence, for extracting structured data from invoices, forms, and contracts. And sixth, Content Safety, for protecting your applications from harmful and inappropriate content. Slide 4. Azure AI Vision. Let's go deeper on Azure AI Vision. This service lets your application see and understand the visual world. With image analysis, you can detect objects, scenes, and activities in any image with confidence scores and bounding boxes. OCR, optical character recognition, extracts printed and handwritten text from images, PDFs, and scanned documents instantly. Face detection identifies faces and facial landmarks and can verify identity across images. And with custom vision, you can upload your own labeled images and train a custom classifier or object detector tailored to your specific use case. No machine learning expertise required. Slide 5. Azure AI Speech. Azure AI Speech gives your applications the ability to hear and speak. Speech-to-text provides real-time and batch transcription in over 100 languages, including speaker diarization to identify who said what. Text-to-speech generates natural-sounding voices, with over 400 neural voices available across 140 languages. And speech translation lets you translate spoken audio in real time, which is perfect for live international meetings and multilingual customer support. 400 neural voices. That is a remarkable level of voice diversity for any application. Slide 6. Azure AI Language. Azure AI Language is your toolkit for understanding text. Sentiment analysis determines whether text is positive, negative, or neutral at both the sentence and document level. For example, the phrase, "the product is amazing," would return a positive sentiment score of 98%. Named entity recognition automatically extracts people, places, organizations, dates, and more from any text. Summarization condenses long documents into concise summaries, and the question answering feature lets you build knowledge bases that answer user questions from your own content. Key phrase extraction rounds it out by identifying the main topics in any text automatically. Slide 7. Translator and Document Intelligence. Azure Translator handles text translation across more than 100 languages in real time. It also supports full document translation. Translate entire Word, PDF, and PowerPoint files while preserving the original layout. Custom Translator lets you train domain-specific models for legal, medical, or technical terminology. A great use case? A global e-commerce site serving 50-plus countries with fully localized content. Document Intelligence, on the other hand, extracts text, tables, and key value pairs from structured documents. It comes with pre-built models for invoices, receipts, tax forms like W-2s, ID documents, and business cards. Custom models let you train on your own document types with just a few labeled examples. Imagine automating your entire invoice processing workflow, extracting vendor name, amount, and due date in seconds. Slide 8. Content Safety and AI Search. Content Safety automatically detects and filters harmful content across 4 severity levels: hate speech, violence, self-harm, and sexual content. You can configure thresholds to block, warn, or allow content at each level. It also includes Prompt Shield, which protects your AI applications from jailbreak attempts and prompt injection attacks. This is essential for any public-facing AI app. Azure AI Search is a powerful enterprise search service with AI-powered vector, semantic, and hybrid search capabilities.
The workflow is straightforward. Index your data, enrich it with AI using OCR and NLP, then query it with keyword, vector, or semantic search. It is the backbone of most Azure AI RAG applications, powering grounded, accurate answers from your own data. Slide 9. How to get started. Getting started is straightforward. Step 1. Create a free Azure account at azure.microsoft.com. You get $200 in credit for 30 days. Step 2. In the Azure portal, create an AI services resource and grab your API key and endpoint. Step 3. Call the API using REST or the SDK in Python, C#, JavaScript, or Java. Step 4. Deploy to production. Azure handles all the scaling, availability, and compliance automatically. And remember, a free tier is available for most services. Use the F0 SKU to test at zero cost before committing. Slide 10. Pricing and deployment. Azure AI Services offers flexible pricing. The free tier gives you a limited number of transactions per month, perfect for development and testing. Pay-as-you-go pricing means you only pay for what you use, with no upfront commitment. For high-volume workloads, commitment tiers let you pre-purchase transaction bundles at a significant discount. And for compliance-sensitive environments, you can deploy services in Docker containers, completely on-premises or in your own cloud. Deployment options include the standard Cloud API, Docker containers, integration through Azure AI Foundry, and no-code connectors for Logic Apps and Power Automate. Slide 11. Real-world use cases. Let us look at how organizations are using these services today. In healthcare, Document Intelligence extracts patient data from handwritten forms and scanned medical records, reducing manual data entry dramatically. In retail, Vision API monitors shelf stock levels and detects misplaced products in real time. Call centers use speech analytics to transcribe and analyze every customer conversation for sentiment, compliance, and coaching opportunities. Global businesses use Translator to power real-time multilingual chat support across 100+ languages. And AI application developers use content safety to protect their chatbots and copilots from harmful outputs and prompt injection attacks. Slide 12. Outro. Azure AI Services gives you everything you need to build intelligent applications, from seeing and hearing to reading, translating, and protecting your content. Whether you're a solo developer or an enterprise team, these pre-built APIs let you ship AI features fast, without the complexity of training models from scratch. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Expert of AI for more Microsoft Azure tutorials. Drop a comment below with which service you're most excited to try. And check out our full Azure AI Foundry series linked in the description. See you in the next